Hello everyone, so we are done with the string related function in the PHP. So now the next thing is numeric function in PHP. So like we have so many numeric function. First of all, random function, we are writing rand, R-A-N-D, and it will generate any random number. Okay, then this is nothing but the round off. That means it will give you answer as what, 5 or something like that. Round off actually, kind. Then square root, it will give you the square root of that particular number, which is, for example, 64. Square root of 64 will be what? 8. uh, this is like a mathematical function, like cos 45 and its value, sin 45 and its value, tan 45 and its value. And again, mathematically we know pi is nothing but 3.14. That is the correct answer for that. And last one, that is number format actually. So now what is the meaning of this number format is nothing but, if I write number format, okay, it will give you this number with the proper formatting like a digit separator. Okay, so let's check the output of all this numeric function. Control S, and again you make sure that this both are running. Okay, actually MySQL is not required, but Apache is required. Okay, and obviously we are using the same file only. So like we are getting the output for the first one, any random number. See, here it is, suppose 8415, suppose last 4 digit, and if I click on refresh, you will get some other number. So random will generate any random number. This is round off, this is square root, and after that this cos 45, sin 45, and tan 45, and then pi. Okay, so we have to also write echo over here for number format. Okay, just 1 minute. Yeah, control S, and now refresh. See, it is showing number format digit separator using what? Comma. So that is all about PHP numeric function. Thank you everyone.